Anthropic just dropped something that feels fundamentally different from anything a frontier AI lab has published before. This isn't a research paper or a benchmark announcement. It's an operational manual for running an entire company using Claude Code as your workforce. We're talking one human at the helm, AI agents handling operations, and no traditional employees on the org chart. This is the moment the conversation shifts from theoretical to executable. For years, AI will replace jobs was a recycled headline that tech pundits tossed around without any practical substance behind it. But what Anthropic published reads less like speculation and more like a step-by-step founder's guide. They're not saying someday AI will restructure companies. They're telling you exactly how to build that structure today, with specific orchestration patterns, task decomposition strategies, and checkpointing frameworks. That's a tectonic shift in how seriously we need to take this. Here's the counterintuitive truth that most people are missing in this conversation. Removing headcount doesn't remove the hardest human work. It concentrates it. When agents handle execution, what remains for the human founder is pure judgment, deciding what gets built, defining what quality actually looks like, and catching the errors that no agent can self-diagnose. That surface area of human responsibility is dramatically smaller than before, but it's also the densest, most cognitively demanding work imaginable. You can't delegate discernment. Having run AI agents on real production tasks, the failure patterns are nothing like what people expect going in. Agents don't dramatically crash on simple tasks. They execute confidently and silently, get things wrong on the edge cases that require contextual nuance. A system prompt simply cannot encode. A wrong answer that announces itself is manageable. A wrong answer that ships to production looking correct is a compounding disaster. The most dangerous agent failure mode is one that looks like success until it doesn't. The most valuable skill in an agent-driven operation right now is not prompt engineering. It's systems architecture for failure visibility. You need to structure workflows so that when an agent goes wrong, that failure is immediately legible and recoverable before it compounds into something catastrophic. This is exactly what Anthropic's playbook is teaching beneath the surface. The orchestration patterns, checkpointing strategies, and task decomposition frameworks aren't about efficiency. They're about building error detection into the architecture of the work itself. Founders who approach zero headcount companies as a cost-cutting magic trick are going to burn through compute budgets and ship broken products fast. The ones who treat it as a systems design challenge, with the same rigor you'd apply to distributed infrastructure, are the ones who will build something durable. Every orchestration decision is an architectural decision. Every task boundary is a fault boundary. The companies that internalize this framing will look completely different in 2 years from those who treated AI agents as a novelty feature. Let's be completely clear about what this moment actually represents. The zero headcount company is no longer a theoretical construct or a founder's fantasy. It is an achievable operational model available to anyone willing to do the work to understand it properly. But the word shortcut absolutely does not apply here. You're trading one set of organizational challenges for an entirely different and arguably more intellectually demanding set. The founders who thrive will be those who read Anthropic's full documentation, understand the orchestration principles deeply, and approach this like the serious engineering discipline it is. If you are building anything with AI agents right now, Anthropic's Claude Code Best Practices document is required reading, full stop. It represents the first time a frontier lab has crossed from research publishing into genuine operational guidance for founders. The frameworks inside for task decomposition, agent orchestration, and failure recovery are not hypothetical. They are battle-tested patterns for running real production systems. The window to build genuine fluency with these methods before they become table stakes is open right now, but it won't stay open forever.